Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we are dewinterizing this open range light. Let me show you real quick. I got started because it was raining like crazy a while ago, so I didn't get the camera out. Got the water hose hooked up from the house. I always put a valve here and a pressure regulator. The valve, so if I need to cut the water off in a hurry, I don't have to go all the way to the house. I just come around here, cut it off. So let's go inside real quick. It's still raining a little bit. Make sure everything looks cool in here. All right, I've just got water running. Kitchen sink. We'll look around in there in a minute. Let's make sure. It says we have 2 gray tanks, but I can only find an outlet for one. It says they're both empty, so I think it may have, maybe it's got a second gray tank for a washer and dryer that it does not have. Not sure. We just have just got the water running everywhere, just to flush out the antifreeze. So everything looks good. I flushed the toilet. You don't have to worry about really getting the antifreeze out of that, because nobody but the dogs will be drinking that. And the RV antifreeze is supposed to be safe for pets. I mean, I don't want them drinking it. I wouldn't want to drink it. All right, let me reach under the sink here. Well, I'm gonna have to get a light. I can't reach that far. Make sure everything's dry under there. All right, that battery died. But I was saying that I'm the one that winterized this last fall. So something I don't get to do very often anymore is dewinterize. Oh, I got a light while I was out there changing the battery. Everything looks good. Everything looks dry. See if the trap feels dry, and it does. I've run it on both sides of the sink, this side and that side. Everything is dry under there. Everything is dry behind the commode. So it's basically just flushing out some things. The water heater is still in bypass mode, so I'd have to put that. I'm gonna let this run for probably another 10 minutes or so. And then I will switch the water heater. Well, I'll tell you what, let's just skip ahead 10 minutes. So, y'all hang on, here we go. We're gonna teleport 10 minutes ahead of time. Hang on, could get bumpy. It's raining again, light rain. Show you real quick. When I winterize a camper, if I'm going to be the one dewinterizing it, I'll just leave the plug out of the water heater, and we've got most of the antifreeze flushed out. So the water heater bypass is right here. While the plug's out, I am going to put it in normal operation, and I'm going to let some water run through there. Then I will put the plug back in. We'll fill the water heater. All right, I gotta go put my camera up. It's raining too hard. Typically when you're dewinterizing a RV, you would be walking around outside the camper, make sure there's no water dripping anywhere, make sure there's not something leaking up in the belly, but with all this rain you never see it. So filling the water heater right now. It might already be full, to be honest with you. Nope, here we go. Here's some air, but this is the only one I have open now. I've got everything else closed. The kitchen sink also. Still no air. Maybe a little bit in there. So, yeah, this is just going to be a really quick video. I mean, dewinterizing is a pretty easy thing. It's just mainly just rinsing stuff out. If you've left anything in the winterized position, you need to reverse that and just check it real good for leaks. I will, once we get all the air out of the water heater, I'll cut that off. It's probably making a lot of noise. Once we get the air out of the water heater, I will fire up the water heater on gas and the furnace and probably the fridge. Just make sure all that stuff's working. That's basically going to be it on this one. Really quick, easy. I don't know what else to say except get down in that comment section, leave me a comment, criticism, concern. If anybody knows an anti-rain dance, you could use it. It's been really rainy here this week. Gonna be rainy all week. Hard to get anything done. No, don't do that. Before you know it, y'all would do too good a job and then we'd be in drought. So no, let's just leave it alone. It'll all be good. Y'all be good. We'll catch you on the next one.